In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your eCitizen mobile app. If you're having a problem with your eCitizen app, maybe it is not opening, it is not responding, or it is malfunctioning, let me show how you can clear all those errors and start afresh. Now for this demonstration, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this should work on any Android smartphone. So to start, just tap on your settings, and from settings, tap on apps. From here, look for the option called Manage Apps. Now this will list all the apps that you have on your Android smartphone. Now scroll down until you get to your app, which is eCitizen, and here it is. Tap on it. Now from here, look for the option called Clear Data and tap on it. Here you'll have an option either to clear all the data or to clear cache. Select the clear cache and then confirm you want to clear cache. You may want to go ahead and restart your smartphone and then launch the app, and from here it should work perfectly well. If that process doesn't solve your problem, you may want to go ahead and instead of clearing cache, this time around go and clear all the app data. Let me know if you have any question. Otherwise, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.